Hi everyone and welcome to the Make Money Show channel. Today we are looking at possibly the most popular YouTube digital course going around right now. But before we dive in and do the review, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. Okay, today we are looking at the Tube Mastery and Monetization course by a young entrepreneur by the name of Matt Parr. Now Matt started earning money online at the very young age of 12. At 14 he had a YouTube channel and made lots and lots of videos. Finally, Matt had a video go viral. That particular video got thousands and thousands of views. That's when Matt knew the full potential of the YouTube platform. When Matt was 16 he was making thousands of dollars every month on YouTube. He was earning more money online as a teenager than his parents were earning combined. Okay, first things first. Many of you want to earn money, and a lot of money. While it is entirely possible, you must have a plan, and maybe you guys are looking to get into YouTube to do that. Now the question is it really possible to earn a six-figure income from YouTube? Well, we know that top YouTubers do earn millions of dollars every year, but the question here is it really possible for an average person with an average skill set to start from scratch without any prior experience and make a lot of money through YouTube? The answer is yes. It is entirely possible for anyone to start a YouTube channel or maybe a few channels and earn a six-figure and even a seven-figure income every month. Now, is it easy? The answer is no. It is not easy, but it is totally doable if you are focused and if you have the right guidance. Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course basically aimed to provide the guidance required to make a successful YouTube business. So if you are motivated and focused, then such a course can help you a lot. Now, let's take a look at the contents of the course. Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization have 7 modules. The first module is a titled Overview of the Blueprint. This module basically gives you an overview of the 3 stages of building your YouTube business. It tells you about the beta phase, the intermediate phase, and the scaling phase. The second module is about choosing the right niche for your YouTube channel. It tells you the different ways of going about YouTube. It gives you a list of some of the best paying high CPM niches. And it also tells you how to do market research in order to find the right niche. The third module of Tube Mastery and Monetization is all about setting up your channel for success. This is where things start getting really interesting, and Matt starts telling you some of the secrets of his success. He not only tells about his favorite YouTube tool but also gives his secret process to find the best SEO keywords. This module will also equip you with the knowledge required to make a winning content strategy. The fourth module focuses on the videos. You might have heard the phrase content is the king. So this module is definitely very important as it tells the anatomy of a viral video. It also tells how you can systemize your videos and where you can find free content for your channel. Matt even tells you how to edit your videos for free. In addition, this module will also tell you one of the most important things, that is, how to make thumbnails that have a high click-through rate. Now many people are able to make this far in their own personal YouTube journey, but this is where most of the people start failing. They do all the hard work but they are unable to leverage the previous success to grow their channels. This is where the fifth module comes in. It focuses on explaining the YouTube analytics and the algorithm. It also tells you how you can truly go viral on YouTube. This module will help you clear your mind of the various misconceptions and myths about YouTube. It will basically explain to you a few key concepts that play a key role in the growth of a YouTube channel. The sixth module focuses on the money part. Yup, money makes the world go around, and I believe money is the primary goal of like 98% of the people who want to get into the YouTube business. You might be surprised to know that more than 80% of the YouTube channel owners never get to earn money up to their full potential. This is simply because of the lack of knowledge about the various ways they can monetize their channels to earn more money. So the sixth module will tell you how you can make more money than most of the YouTubers. It will introduce you to various ways of monetizing your channel. Also, in this module, Matt tells his experience and his own personal favorite way of monetization. Last but not the least, the seventh module tells how you can scale your channel and outsource work to other people. Now, obviously we all dream of having a business that generates money on its own without us doing a lot. Most of the people spend their entire lives looking for that heavenly scenario. But only a few people are able to reach that goal. This 7th module gives you a blueprint of how you can automate everything and see the money roll in every month. This module will equip you with the knowledge required to make a video creation assembly line. Yeah, so these 7 modules pretty much cover everything from starting a YouTube channel to growing it and eventually outsourcing the work in order to make a business that is truly automated and is capable of bringing in 6-figure and even 7-figure revenue every month. Now let's take a look at some of the pros of Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. First, we will take a look at the pros of the course. Okay, so the first thing is that it is one solution and it does not require any additional information. It teaches you everything from scratch and then builds on it. The second benefit of Tube Mastery and Monetization is that one does not need to have any technical skills or prior knowledge to start this course. Another great advantage of this course is that it is actually a course made by someone who has already achieved success in this field. There are many gurus who claim to teach you how to get YouTube success, but they have never achieved it themselves. So Matt's course definitely has an advantage here. The next really big benefit of this course is that it is not a monthly subscription or anything. It has a reasonable one-time fee that you can pay and get the course. You get the 24/7 lifetime access and you can work at your own pace. Last but not the least, it comes with a money-back guarantee. So yeah, if after going through the course, you cannot see it working for you, then you can get your money back. This simply tells of the confidence that Matt has on his course. Obviously, as is the case with every other course, this one also has a few cons. The first major problem with this course is that it is not a get-rich-quick solution. The second problem that we see with this course is that it does require a lot of focus and hard work, at least in the first few months. Although, this course gives you a great blueprint of creating a highly successful YouTube business. But at the end of the day, it is you who has to work and take steps. So if you are yourself not focused or motivated, then it will obviously not work. So what is our final verdict about Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course? Well, this course is totally worth it, and it actually gives you a solid, step-by-step plan in order to make your YouTube channel, grow it and then outsource it. This course has the potential of making you a millionaire, provided that you are focused and willing to work on it for a year or so. You can get this course right away for a discounted price of $597 only. The link is in the description. Follow the link and get the course on the discounted price. Its original price is $1,497, but it is currently available for $597 only. This course has the potential of making you a YouTube millionaire. We believe that it is a great course and it is totally worth it. We will be back with the review of more courses soon. To subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well so that you can receive notifications about our latest updates. We will see you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.